Have you tried playing with watercolor pencils? Well, I'm giving you a quick time-lapse video of an exclusive tutorial on my Patreon today that I did about using these watercolor pencils and watercolor itself. Sketching techniques are kind of fun to play with. These are the things that I kind of do on Patreon that are not on YouTube, and I'm giving you a snippet of what it looks like, and just in a fast, time-lapse way. There's lots of features on Patreon that you don't get on YouTube, and I'm going to put them up here so you can see and check it out. Click the link in the description box if you want to join Patreon. We have a wonderful community. We have a Facebook group where everyone shares what they've been painting. Some people actually come together and come to my workshops and retreats. So go check out the link in the description box and watch the video.